Hello, welcome to ST Tech channel, and in this tutorial we're going to learn how to install Git on Windows 11 and connect it with GitHub. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your browser and go to the official Git website, git-sem.com. On the home page, click the Download for Windows button. This will download the installer file. Once the download is complete, run the exe file, approve the prompt, accept the license, and keep the data for Git. Many people select Visual Studio Code, but you can pick whichever editor you prefer. On the branch naming screen, override the initial branch name to main. This keeps it consistent with GitHub's default branch. Use Git from the command line and third-party tools. Use the bundled OpenSSH. For the remaining setup options, keep the recommended settings. Keep the default line ending conversions. Select the recommended terminal emulator. Then enable the Git Credential Manager and file system caching. You can also enable the experimental options before clicking install. Once the installation finishes, you'll have access to Git Bash, Git CMD, and Git GUI from the start menu. Now let's try using Git. Once the installation is complete, the next step now is the time to try using Git. So we can either open it in any code editor, open the Git terminal itself, or just use our Visual Studio Code in a project folder, right click inside it and choose Git Bash here. In the terminal, type git init to initialize a repository. Check the status with Git status is to set up your GitHub credentials so Git can connect with your account. Open Git Bash and configure your username and email by running git config --global user.name your username. Git config --global user.email your email. This step ensures Git knows who is making the commits and links your work to your GitHub account. Now, instead of creating a brand new repository on GitHub, let's clone an existing one directly into your system. Go to GitHub, open the repository you want to work with, and copy the HTTPS link. Back in your terminal, run git clone https://github.com/your username/your repository.git. Git will download the entire repository into a new folder on your computer. Once the clone is complete, navigate into the folder using cd your repository. From here, you're ready to start working with the code, making changes, committing updates, and pushing them back to GitHub. So if this helps you know how to install Git on Windows 11, set it up and connect it with GitHub step by step, hit that like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech with ST Tech made simple. Song for on
Let's build the future. One line of code, one dream at a time. From the cloud to the console, the rhythm flows. Innovation lives where the knowledge grows. SD Tech, your tech journey starts here. Code it, dream it, live